Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine. This is your first time joining me. Thanks for joining. It is not your first time joining. Welcome back. Y'all, excuse my screen. It's just a lot of mess going on. I need to clean it out and figure out what I need to do with everything. But if y'all don't know, I have really been into sewing, y'all. I am really into sewing. I love sewing. I love creating new things. I've been sewing for a while now, off and on. Really not deep into sewing because with around COVID, I learned how to sew by making masks. And then my daughter became pregnant. I was gonna make all my granddaughter's clothes, and then my granddaughter passed away during birth. So it's a lot, very, very sad. And I was gonna make all her clothes for her, but I couldn't make her clothes. So I just ended up opening up a boutique, and now my boutique is open. It was closed for a while because I had to clean out my computer and had to basically delete all my cookies. And when I deleted my cookies, I deleted all my passwords to everything. And I did not have a password to my Etsy page for my children's boutique. I contacted Etsy 3 times. They didn't want to give it to me. It said, send me all your information. I sent everything. They still didn't let me know what my password was. So it was closed for like almost a year, y'all. I had orders. I just went on there and I found out I had orders. I'm so sorry for those that ordered from me, and I didn't even know you ordered because I couldn't get into my store. So I apologize for the inconvenience that may cause. But now it's open, y'all. A Ray of Sunshine is open and it's on Etsy. I have links below. But I love making children clothes. So I think children clothes is so much easier to make than adult clothes. I have been making me and my daughter clothes. I just been copying different dresses that I already had, which is very easy to do. And I made a lot of those type of like spring and summer dresses for me and her. And I also, but with my grandson now that he's 2, I've been making him clothes too, like pants and stuff like that. So I was in the process of making him an Easter jacket. So I just made that today. It's not that good. I'm still working on that, but I made my son a house coat. I've been making a lot of different things. So, but I really think I would not make clothes for adults. I mean, for me and my daughter, yes, but I'm into really learning how to recycle also. Is that what's it called? Recycling clothing, going to the Goodwill, picking up Goodwill items and recycling them to different items. Like for instance, I made my son a house coat out of a blanket. I made my dress for me out of sheets. I made my grandson of a Easter jacket out of a curtain, and it's really nice. Okay, like an Easter suit jacket out of a curtain. So I'm not really wanting to show anything right now, but I do have a couple of little sneak previews on my YouTube channel, like the little shorts. I have a couple shorts that are showing you how I did those things, so check those out. Anywho, today I'm going to show you about this. I'm going to show you this website I found with free patterns, y'all. If y'all into sewing, I know I have a lot going on in my channel. I have sewing, I have Cricut, I have embroidery, I have sublimation, I have DTF. I have a lot on my channel. But if y'all into sewing, y'all need to check this website out. I did not know that you can go to this site and they have all the patterns are for free. Y'all might know what I'm talking about, but y'all might not. So I'm just probably showing this video, so who does not know about this site, now you know. Mood Fabric, y'all. And I've been really binge watching Project Runway, and it's been, I think it came out of 2009, and I've started from the beginning, and I love it. And this is where they go to Mood Fabric, and they have one in New York, they have one in California, and they probably have more, other places, other states, but I know for sure from watching this Project Runway, they have a Mood Fabric in New York and in California. So I've been watching them, and I was like, so I went on here and I was like, oh my God. I was looking through here and I was like, they have free patterns, y'all. Free patterns. They have a lot of fabric. Their fabric is nice. It's kind of reasonable since Joann Fabric going out of business. A lot of them are going through bankruptcy. You can come here to shop. I'm going to show y'all the fabrics later, but I'm going to show y'all the patterns. So you go right here to menu and you go down to sewing patterns. Most all their patterns are free, y'all. I'm like, what in the world? Who does that? They are PDF files, which I really think that PDF files is easier because I've been trying to learn how to read the store-bought patterns. I know how to do some of them if they're simple, but a lot of them is like Spanish to me. So I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. So I'm really trying to find some sewing get-togethers or gatherings that I can go to so I can sew with other people. I tried to learn, y'all. I tried to learn how to crochet. Y'all know if y'all know me or been watching my channel, I'm always trying to find something new to do. Crocheting, oh my god, my hands got cramped up or whatever. But I really want to learn how to crochet too, but it's not going too well. I just need to be a little bit more patient and figure it out. But I just wanted some crochet buddies and some sewing buddies, and I would be able to probably learn it better if I had other people that I was, you know, crocheting and sewing with. That'd be fun. But so yeah. So let me show y'all these free patterns here. I got dresses, you have skirt patterns, you have pants patterns. I really want to make me a pair of pants. I did find me a some nice fabric I'm gonna use. They have all these patterns, y'all, for free, okay? Free. They have men's patterns. I wish they had children patterns. That'd have been cool, because I really would like to just start making my grandson some stuff. But they do have some sites that you can find some free children patterns. But let's go ahead and see, because right now, y'all, patterns, everything in the world is expensive now. I done bought a couple patterns and it was like $10 a piece. And usually PDF patterns are not that expensive. Back in the day, I mean, when I first started sewing, it wasn't that much. Now they're going up because everybody everybody's sewing and doing things and opening their own business and recycling and all kind of stuff, y'all. So let me just show y'all a couple of these dresses. My computer has been acting up. This is not where I want to go. How did it get to H&M? Let me get out of here and try it over. My computer has been acting up, y'all. Sorry about that. I don't know what I push. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to menu. And I go to sewing patterns. And I'm gonna go to dresses. And here they are. Let me see. I love this dress. This is a pretty dress. I'm gonna show you how this looks. This is how it looks. I might make one of these, but these dresses right here I can make by copying my other dresses, but I don't have a one sleeve dress. So this is like a strap and then a one sleeve. So I can copy this with the split. So this would be something I can basically print out, because I don't have a dress made like this. So I will go ahead and print this out. And you basically just put your name and email in here and you subscribe and you download, and it goes right to your email, y'all. It tells you right here how to sew it it's step by step of how to sew it, how to put everything together. Look at this, y'all. Isn't it so easy? But I love watching videos on YouTube when I'm sewing, because it's so much easier since I'm learning. I like to watch YouTube. But here's the 9 steps, and that's it. It says 9 steps. Let's see if it goes any further. That's it. So it says 9 steps, but I believe it has to be more than 9 steps, because it's not even, or maybe it's not. Okay. Okay, so there's the one dress. Let's go to another one. Go to sewing patterns, and let's go to, let's see, I want to show you the pants. All these pants right here. I want to make these pants. These are pretty. These look pretty. I like skinny legs. I might make those. These bell bottoms are cute. This skirt. Oh, these is pants? These must be shorts. Here goes some, let's look at these. These are like really nice pants, but you got to learn how to do the flap and all that kind of stuff, y'all, and the belt loops and all that stuff. So, with some denim. They tell you what fabric you need, how much you need. Oh my God, this is so amazing. All these free patterns, y'all. They tell you what sizes they are right here, the size. And they tell you how to lay it out. That's not that many pieces. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 7, 8? About 8 pieces, I think. Okay. What is all that? What does it look like that there for? Oh, that's the fabric. So here it is, y'all. This is really a nice site. It's called moodfabrics.com. I love it, y'all. This really would get you into sewing with free patterns, okay? Give me some free patterns. I'll go ahead and sew them up. And they do have a lot of videos on YouTube too. If you put in mood patterns, and they have people doing videos on these patterns, okay? So, oh, this is nice. These are some nice easy pants, but I've been trying to find easy. And I think if you could put easy, I don't know if you could put easy in there. Let me just see if I could put easy in there. Maybe it'll give me some easy patterns. Skirts, all these different, oh my God, this is like a recycle. You could basically put, get some old jeans. It could be old jeans or just a regular skirt. So this could be jeans, and then you could add some fabric in the bottom. So yeah, this is nice to tell you all how you do it. The steps is right here. Mood fabric. And no, I'm not getting paid for this video. I just want to show y'all, because people out here trying to get this free stuff. Who else like free stuff? I do. So I'm just trying to share with y'all the free things, okay? So this is a nice jumpsuit. This shirt is nice. I would make that for myself. That's nice. Let's look at that shirt. I like that. Oh, that's pretty. That's why you need some stretch fabric. I will wear that, okay? I would make that. And it's a free pattern. Just imagine you can make your own clothes. Oh, it's gonna be kind of hard right here. You got little snaps. I'm scared. I mean, zippers it's okay, but it's hard. I learned how to do collars. They're kind of iffy with me. Sleeves, I learned how to do sleeves. So I'm learning, y'all. I'm getting it together. I'm getting it together, y'all. I'm learning. But like I said, I'm making my own clothes. I'm not making any clothes but except for me, my grandson, and my daughter. Children clothes are easy because there's not that much fabric to use. Let's see if I can find easy. Free sewing patterns. Let's see. All gender. Free sewing pattern. Active. Beginning. Here you go. So this is cool. Beginner sewing patterns. And then it shows you how it looks. And then this must be for all beginners. This was I will make this for myself. I gotta find some nice fabric. So these pants is really easy. It look really easy. Okay. That's just some elastic and then some straight pants. That'll be easy. So I might make these. Okay. A nice shirt with buttons. I'm scared of buttons too, y'all, but I gotta get it together. Gotta get it together. Look at those ruffles. I want to learn how to do that. So I want to learn how to do everything, y'all. That's jacket. That coat is cute. Okay. Let's see what else they have on here for easy patterns. That's the same dress I think I saw earlier. I think they have video on this dress. I seen somebody making this dress. Okay, this is what I have at home. I have this dress already. I have a lot of these dresses at home that I just copied from me and my daughter. But I would love to make a shirt like this. It's a nice little easy outfit, unisex outfit. This would be a nice, just something to lounge in. So all these easy, and these is basically labeled easy. This is a nice easy skirt. Let me just try to see how this what this looks like. It's nice. I don't know what kind of fabric that is, but it tell you right here what fabrics are used right here. Free download, y'all. Oh, okay, it'll tell you right here the fabrics you can use. I might just use it like a sweater knit or the fleece knit. That'd be cool. Let me tell you right here how to put it together. This is awesome. Let me know in the link below if you already knew about Move Fabric, if you sew clothes or if you like sewing. Let me know. Cause I just found this out. I'm like, where have you been, friend? Where have you been? This is some nice stuff for free pattern. Because like I said, I'm trying to save y'all $1 because patterns are very expensive. This is really pretty. I'm gonna make this too. So yes, let me know if y'all heard about this this site, and if y'all made anything, and how did they sew out? How did it work for you? Okay, let me know below. Let me know if you want to see me do some sewing projects. I'm new at this, but I will show y'all what I know. Okay, so let's go to some fabric. So they have all kind. They don't have any kids clothes here, but they have a lot of different women clothes. They have men. Let's see what the men clothes. Let's see. Free sewing patterns. Let's go to. I think I've seen men. I've seen men earlier. Right here. Let's see what they have for the men. Just a couple things. This is not a man's outfit, but they got like you can make a men's shirt. Oh, okay, these pants right here. This jacket. That's not men's, or maybe it's saying unisex. I don't know. This is nice. Okay, that's nice. Like I said, this is moodfabrics.com. Oh, that is nice. Okay, let's look at some of the fabric they have here. Let's go to All About Fabric. Let's see what their price range is, because everything's expensive now, y'all. And I like the way they got this broken down. They have a different let's see, different sections you can go into. Let's see, lace, organza. I've learned about organza watching Project Runaway. Never heard it before until I started watching that show. Put it below if y'all ever seen Project Runaway. Like I said, I'm watching it right now. I'm watching it on Prime TV, and I'm way back in 2009 when it first came out, and I've just been binge watching. I love to see the things that they sew together. It's so it's so nice. One day I wish I could sew up a whole wardrobe. One day I will, because once I put my mind to it, I'll finish it. Look at this. This is nice fabric. I don't know, it's leather. Okay, I like that too. So I have different patterns, and it says for wool fabric, it's corduroy fabrics. Oh, it's okay. They're telling you some patterns they have. Oh, okay, this is how they're doing it. They're showing you different patterns they have in that fabric. Or they're showing you what you can make with that fabric. That's pretty cool for new sewers. They can tell you what you can make with the fabric you're going to be buying from them. What's the way you can, and they got free shipping for domestic orders over $150. Let's see what they can, let's see what's trending. They have a lot of different nice, I mean, if you see their store, oh my God, when I be watching Project Runway, it's just huge with all kind of fabric, just wall fabric. It is crazy. So they have all kind of stuff. I know you need a lot of linings when you're doing clothes and stuff like that. So this is different linings. Let's see this. I'm just showing y'all the prices. And you can go on the website and just check it out, but it's kind of expensive. Some of this stuff, but it's just some good fabric. This is some good fabric, y'all. But they do have some that's a little bit cheaper. Okay. All right. So I just want to come on here and show y'all this. The free patterns. Like I said, when I find out things, I want to come to my channel and show y'all what I know. Y'all probably already knew about it. Why I didn't tell me. But yeah, I'm showing y'all that and just the free patterns. If y'all into sewing, I want to see more things that I'm sewing up, let me know. I do have a couple of videos of me going to the stores, to the secondhand stores and stuff like that. I do have a couple of those videos, and then I'll show y'all what I'm picking up to recycle, to recreate, to another garment. So check those videos out. But I also have other crafting videos too. Okay, so check everything out in my videos. Go ahead and binge watch it. I have a lot of videos, and I hope y'all like my videos. If y'all want to see something, let me know. These buttons are pretty, even though I'm scared of buttons, but I'm gonna have to learn one day, y'all. Okay. So, and then shout out to all y'all that does sew a lot of good clothing and sew your own clothing and sew clothing for other people. And I'm, like I said, I'm just really into recycling. Like I said, I done bought a couple of things, some jackets and stuff that I want to recycle. I love doing jeans, you know, turning jeans to different things like old jeans to skirts and stuff like that. So I'm learning, y'all. I made a jean skirt out of old jeans. I made a jacket out of old jeans. So I do have a video that I did show y'all a couple of things that I made. So check the video. I think it's the video with me going to a secondhand store. So at the end of the video, I'll show you the things that I created. So like this video and let me know if you want to see some more. I can find some more sites with free fabrics and free patterns. That'd be great, wouldn't it? So I'm gonna be searching. Y'all just keep watching. Until next time, be blessed.